Right, so guys, today we're talking lighters. Well, I got this one yesterday from town. Used for a bit and broke straight away. This one, my replacement lighter today. I suppose it's a special one. It's got a name on it. On the bottom, it's got star 2. This works as it should. Nice steel stamps. It's got the barcode number there. I especially like this one because of the lifted jet on the front of it. It's got this copper flint, whereas this one, fake replica. I grabbed it because it cost £1, and I soon found out why. It broke straight away. It wouldn't light. After getting it light, eventually it bonged out. Can't do nothing with it now. I'll show you how I have to light it. Get this in. And that is the only way I can light it. When putting it down, it don't go down without force. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is my first video with a lot more to come. Thank you for watching.